Hello and welcome back to Indition Forms. Today we're going to show you how to create a multi-step form. So let's get started. From your dashboard, click on Manage Forms. You will then click on your form design. For this example, we are using Design Form 7. As you can see in this form, we have the fields of full name, phone number, full address, website, and email address. To make this into a multi-step form, you'll want to click on the Advanced Designer tab at the top of the bar. In the Advanced Designer, you will click on the blue Create Design button. You will then see this page. You'll want to click on the blue Settings button on the right top. To the left, you will see a design structure toggle that says Single Page. Toggle this and it'll change to multi-step. Once you've saved the changes, click Close button. You're now ready to add fields and steps to your form. For the first page of my form, I'm going to add the full name field. So I simply click and hold the field in the left list of field options and drop it into my form. I'm going to then scroll down to the green plus button and click that once. This will give me the second page of my form. Now I'm going to add my full address option for page 2. Click the green button at the bottom and continue on for page 3. You will continue to do this process till you have all the fields you wish to have on your form. To preview your form, scroll to the top of the screen and on the right hand side click the green button called Preview Page. And congratulations, you've now created a multi-step form.